Hello, welcome! Today I'm going to show you how I air dry my hair to achieve this soft, wavy hairstyle. So let's get hydrated. Let's go! I have moved into my hair salon, aka my bedroom. I've got some freshly washed hair that I've just had up in a towel while I've done my makeup, and I will then brush through it here with with my knockoff wet brush. This is my favorite hairbrush. It just glides through the hair wet or dry and is very comfortable. The first and only product I'm going to use for this very simple look is the Kevin Murphy Easy Rider Cream. So this is my go-to anti-frizz product for air drying my hair. I've used it for probably a decade or so, and I'm going to take a generous amount of it, rub it all over my hands, and then pull it through all of my hair, focusing on the ends and beginning to kind of rub it around and scrunch it in my hair. I find that this cream helps curls to form in my hair, but never gets crunchy. So once I have parted my hair, this is when I begin to twirl. Now, I know scrunching can be very important for air drying curls, but for my hair, I've always done more of a twirl or a twist. So I start doing them all the way around my head, and I find that doing this kind of twirling method helps to get more of a wave in my hair, as it is hard to curl. You might have seen me in videos playing with my hair and encouraging a wave or two when my hair is still damp, and this is just the method I've always used. Focusing on the section at the crown of my head, I'm pulling it into one big section so that it doesn't split down the middle because I'm wearing a middle part. It's not going to stay perfectly the way I want it, but it helps. So next I'm going to focus on my bangs, and I'm actually going to take a round brush and run through my wet bangs in the same manner, same method that I would as if I was blow drying them, to get that kind of forward swoop. So once I've done that, I will put some clips in my hair to keep it in place, and it will basically air dry the rest of the way in that wavy swoop there. If you want to see how I blow dry my curtain bangs, I will link my last blow dry routine video in the description box. And that's it. Once those are in place, you can kind of leave it there. And that's what I would normally do. But I left you for a while, for about an hour, but as you can see, my hair is still quite damp. It does take a long time to dry, and especially now that we're spending so much time inside the home. But if I were to do this routine in the morning and then go out and be outside, my hair will obviously dry faster and the humidity will help the curls and waves form. But for the purpose of this video, I will use a diffuser attachment on my blow dryer, and this will just help speed things along. I know that diffusers are a really important part of everyday life for curly-haired folks, but I don't use them that often. I find that even though they do mimic the look of air-dried waves for me, the hair is never as soft as when I let my hair completely air dry from start to finish. But I will show you the method that I'll use with the diffuser, continuing to swirl my hair, twirl my hair, and scrunch my hair. And if you want some really good tips on diffusing your hair, I would check out David Lopez. I, of course, discovered him through Katie Jane Hughes. On his Instagram, he has some really great hair tutorials, and I learned a lot from him. So I'll continue to go around my hair until it's as dry as I can stand to get it. Okay, so it's pretty well dry. I'll show you how it looks. And to get my hair exactly the way I want it, sometimes I will go in with a curling iron. So you can see that the top layers of my hair are still quite straight. So if my hair is a bit shorter, I'll use a 1-inch curling iron, but it's pretty long right now. Thanks to Mistress Pandemica, I have not had my hair cut since November. And so I'll use this larger barrel curling iron. Like I said, I wouldn't normally do this, but to get things just right for all you fine viewers, I'll go through and show you the process. So I'll just feel around my head for those loose pieces that aren't really forming into a wave or a curl, and really lightly wrap them around the curling iron, moving away from my face. And when I release the curl, I will pull down on it so that it's not too spirally and is more of a natural wave, and it gives the hair more of a bend than a proper curl. And not to worry, that's just steam coming off my hair from the residual moisture that's left in the hair. It's not burning, not to worry. I'm actually excited for summer as my hair tends to benefit from a little extra humidity. I know some people will worry about frizzing out too much, but because my hair is naturally quite straight, I don't mind it one bit. I'll take any amount of frizz if it means my hair gets some beautiful wave and body. Once I'm satisfied with the bulk of my hair, I will remove the clips from my bangs and try to shape any pieces that aren't really agreeing by wrapping them lightly away from my face. My bangs tend to be the straightest bits of my hair, so especially the parts right in the middle there, they need a little bit of extra TLC to sit exactly how I would like them. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I know this was about as much fun as watching hair dry, but sometimes I think it's helpful to see people's routines, even if it's just let wet hair get dry naturally. Thanks again for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope to see you all again soon.